house party. For full details, see the national
Teachers may like to know that Thomas Nelson have published a series of 4 pupils' books based on good health that provide a complete course in junior school health education.
And 3, salt and vinegar.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Yes, please.
2 cotton chips, please. You're wasting my money. It's all right. Come on. Tommy. Put vinegar on. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Quick, hit it. Come on. Come on. Quick. Oh, you're wasting my money. Come on. Come on, you've got to get your high score. Come on. Hey, that funny one's just come on the screen. Hit it. Come on, hit it, quick! Wow! So great! It's a robot! It's a real one! Where'd they come from?
I have been told by Master Control that I have landed in England. My thoughts will now be translated into your language. Do you understand me? Your stupid machine shattered the interstellar drive on my shuttlecraft. I've received instructions to wait here for a replacement. My replacement craft will arrive at precisely 17.25 intergalactic time.
What's he on about? I don't know.
I am sorry, 20 minutes to 1.
What's the time? Here, that's nearly an hour.
You brought me down to Earth. I must be your responsibility until I return.
I'm scared, Ben. If anything happens to him, they'll come and get us. You know, I reckon he's a euthanaut. A what? A euthanaut from outer space. You know, an identified flying object.
Are you a euphanaut?
Zap,
Pardon?
zap,
What?
zap.
I've got it. That's his name. Zab. I'm James. Mine's Vicky. All right. Would you like a chip, Zab?
Hey, you lot. Come on, you've been here long enough. Outside and take your punky mate with you.
I think he's giving us the elbow, you know what I mean? Come on, Zab, let's turn you around.
It makes you wonder how their mothers let them go about like it.
Yes, my love, what would you like?
Yeah. What are we going to do with him? I know. Let's go home. We can keep him safe there till 20 to 1. But isn't your mummy? No, she's taking Tim to the baby clinic. Now what's he up to? Stop, right! Stop! No! Fancy doing that. You could have been killed. It's not his fault. He didn't realise. You never cross the road like that.
You need a craft
Craft? What craft?
to get across here.
I've got it. He means a cow. We haven't got a cow.
How can you go into the path of all these machines with no protection and no weapons?
You've just got to watch out.
You will collide. You will be eliminated.
That's why you've got to be careful. You could get injured or even killed.
You kill each other. Is this how you keep the numbers down? We were right. Humans are stupid.
It's not us who's stupid. Look what you've nearly done. Sam, no!
You're not very bright. Thought they were supposed to be super intelligent.
If it was your birthday on Earth, you'd find it a bit strange. You see, Zab, you've got to find a place on the curve where you can see along the road to the right and left. And when it's all clear, you can cross. But you've got to keep looking and listening.
Oh, Vicky.
Look, I'm only trying to teach him how to cross the road.
Will you shut up? We haven't got time to teach him the Green Cross code.
Come on, you two. Save any more arguing. Let's go to the flipping crossing.
Come on, Zab, follow us.
Now, this is a crossing, you see? And you see that little red man? Can you see it?
Yes,
Red is danger. That means we mustn't cross.
that is simple. I understand.
See that button?
Let him do it.
Yes. Press it, Zab. Now wait till the machine stops. You must wait until the little green man appears.
That's it. Come on, let's get across.
That is logic. Red for danger, green for go. Why don't you always use a crossing?
This way, Zab. Do you understand now?
He thinks he's one of these every few yards. You know, we're going to have to teach him everything. Come on. Zab! Zab! You can see now why we as human beings have to keep safe using the old brain and the ears and eyes. Got it?
Why is the pilot driving that backwards?
He's reversing.
Never mind, come on.
Nowhere is safe.
Shane, it's only us. Come in, Zab. This is where we live.
I think he's frightened of her. Who wouldn't be? If you're all coming in, I'm going upstairs. Who's your friend, Vic?
Met him in the chip shop. His name's Sam.
He's a euphanaut. Euphanaut? Never heard of him. What do you play, Zab? Drums? Oh, hey, light your gear, that's real. He thinks she's from another planet, and he's trying to communicate with her.
Sam! She's one of us. She's our sister. You've got to believe us. She's human.
You on a bet? Here, what are you lot on about?
Gina, you've got to believe us. He's from outer space.
I thought you said he was a drummer with the euphanaut. No, you dope. You said that. He's not with any group. He's from another planet. Oh, sure, Ben. I've got this one. It's got bells on. Listen, mate. I should take some of that off indoors. You'll suffocate, you Wally.
He doesn't believe us.
Who cares?
Shut up, Ben. Find your own seat.
Stop! No! There goes Spiritus, leaving knitting needles about. Fancy leaving knitting needles down a chair. It could have punctured someone. Hope it's her next time. Serve her right. Now what? Leave it alone.
Is this your source of power?
It's called electricity. You don't go poking things in there.
Why is everything so dangerous?
It's not really. When you know about it, we know not to do daft things. Oi! You still mucking about in here? Flipping kids.
Do you mind? We're telling Sam about electricity.
Give it a rest, Vicky. If you want something to do, you can help clear up that lot. Mum says I've got to give it a good going over before she gets back. Oh, don't just stand there looking stupid. Get on with it. And you.
Why should I?
I don't know why we're bothering. That flipping kid will have them all out as soon as he comes in. Zab, do you have baby Zabs like this?
Are you all right? Have you broken anything?
I think I have cracked my diversifier. I will fuse it together immediately with my body power.
Body power? What is he on about? I got it! Obviously, they don't use electricity. They must have an inbuilt source of body power. OK, go on, prove it. Show us your body power, Moon Man. It's right overhead.
Let's go and have a look. Ching, what is it?
It's a flipping spaceship.
Spaceship. Look at the size of it. Where's it from, James?
Look at that.
Buffalo. Oh, look at it. Look what's happening to Zap. He's disappearing.
Urgent, watch out. Dangerous on Earth. Urgent, watch out. Dangerous on Earth.